Hi everybody and welcome back to Workouts with GemFit. I'm so excited that you have joined me today. We are doing a full body mat workout with no jumping. What I would like you to do is come on down to your mat, lay on your back and bring your legs up into tabletop position. Have your arms down by the side of your body and we're going to do slow bicycles with our legs, but bringing our legs back into tabletop. You can have a look now to see how you do the move, and then we will do the move for 10 seconds. Amazing job. I would like you to stay in the same position, but raise your head and interlock your fingers behind your head and then go back into those bicycles, back to tabletop again. Staying in that position, we're now going to extend our legs out and upwards and come back into tabletop position, making sure our head is still raised off the ground. This is really going to work our abs and we're really focusing on control here. Okay, we're now bringing the feet down onto the ground with our knees bent and we're going to crunch up, alternating our legs, making sure we're really crunching at the top. When we are crunching, we are bringing that knee in between both of our elbows. Once again, for our next move, we're staying in the position with our knees bent and we're going to take our elbow to opposite leg. We are bicycling across nice and slowly, making sure we're bringing that leg up to meet the elbow. Okay, amazing job. We're now going to take our arms and have them slightly extended above and behind our head, and then we're going to bring them over our knee, crunching up, alternating the sides once again. Amazing, we are done with this abs section. I would like you to now just take a moment, slowly come onto all fours. Okay, I'll give you a few more seconds just to get into position and then watch me do the move and then we will start the 10-second timer. So extend that leg up and back, and then bring it down, toe touching the ground and back up again, pulsing on the same side. Amazing job. Now hold that same leg up in that position up top there. Okay, we are switching over to the other side. Bring that leg up behind you, tap your toe to the ground, and up and down, up and down. We're doing this for 10 seconds. Okay, now hold that leg behind you, nice and raised, squeezing that glute. Okay, for the next move, extend your right leg out towards the side a little bit, flex your foot and pulse. This is really targeting that side and upper glute region. Great job. Now switch over to the other leg, the exact same move. I will give you a few seconds to get into position. Remember, extend that leg out to the side, flex that foot and pulse up and down. We're going into one of my favorite moves now. We're going to do a double crunch kickback. So we're kicking back our right leg. We're then bringing it forward, crunching it to the side, kicking it back, and then coming directly underneath and crunching under. Kick back to the side, back, directly under and crunch forward. Now let's switch on over to the other leg, the exact same move. Kick back, crunch to the side, kick back, come under and forward. This is such a good move to really tone those abs and the glute. We are done with this section of the workout. What I would like you to do now is come into your plank position, but then slowly bring yourself all the way down onto your stomach. And we are now going to be working our upper arms and back muscles. I would like you to extend your arms out in front of you, raise your feet off the ground and legs off the ground, and hold this position for 10 seconds. Staying in that same position with your arms out in front of you, we're now fluttering our arms and our legs. We're almost swimming. Now let's head into some breaststroke. Extend those arms out in front and then pull them back behind your back. You can either have your feet on the ground for this or raised up like mine. Congratulations, you have made it to the last move. Now let's bring our hands on top of each other and we're going to raise up, raising the legs and raising our upper body off the ground. Oops, sorry, one more. Raise up again and hold. This is your very last move. You have got this. You have come this far. Keep holding, making sure you're squeezing those glutes. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Bring yourself up into that cobra position. Give yourself a really good stretch about. Thank you so much for joining this workout today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have an amazing day.